Here is an animation I just made in Keyshot Studio 2025.3. My goal is to take this animation into Adobe After Effects to color correct my video. Critically, I don't want to adjust the colors of the entire picture, I just want to tweak certain parts individually. This is an extremely common task in post-production. In the render dialog under render passes there is now a Cryptomatte option with some simple settings. Let's activate Cryptomatte and render our animation. Once done, we have the regular animation frames, and a Cryptomatte EXR file for each frame. Let us head over to Adobe After Effects, where we will start by importing the regular animation frames into a new composition. Then we will import the Cryptomatte frames and drag the resulting clip into our composition as well. Everything is looking good. Next we need to apply the built-in Cryptomatte effect to the corresponding clip. By default, we get a colorful preview of the different materials or objects in our animation. To apply effects to some of these elements, we need to change the output from colors to matted colors. Then we can click on the elements to make our selection. I will select the copper screws. Notice that this selection isn't limited to one frame, it applies to the entire animation. Now I will set the track matte layer for the animation frames to the Cryptomatte layer. As you can see, this means that the copper screws are isolated. Making this selection manually, without Cryptomatte, would have been an extremely lengthy and difficult process. Especially because this animation was rendered with both depth of field and motion blur, which makes selecting pixels accurately even more difficult. But this way, it's pixel perfect and instant. We also want to see the rest of the animation, not just the screws. For that, I will duplicate the regular animation clip and remove the track matte setting from this copy. And now it's time to apply effects to the copper screws. I will go with a simple color level adjustment, but this works for any and all post-production effects. Note that my color tweaks do indeed only affect the copper screws and not the rest of the object, and that goes for the entire animation. The depth of field and motion blur effects that the animation frames were rendered with are compensated for automatically. To those that post-process renderings and animations professionally, Cryptomatte is a huge time saver and feels like pure magic.